Hey everyone, it's Tina Country. Well, I made it. Made it through the binge, or the lack thereof. It was painful, but I do it often, and it's really hard. I just kept praying, and just thought that I'd make that other video as a kind of a reminder to myself, and that I go through that, and that I can make it through it. I did. And even if I hadn't, my thoughts right now, at this very moment, are I would have got back on this bike and kept going. Because the key to success is falling and getting back up. No matter what emotions you have at the time, and you're thinking, oh my God, I'm not going to get through this. But we're stronger than that. And you don't realize how strong you are until you go through all the pain. There's too many times that I've let it slide, give into it, and that's why, see that? That's why this is here. That's why I'm obese. That's why I'm having this trouble. It's a good feeling to come through it. And look, I'm just getting warmed up. Just getting warmed up. So I'll be back with you in a little bit. I was thinking, something I was reading earlier. Have you ever been kicked out of a buffet? I thought about it. And I was thinking, boy, that might be humiliating, but would I have liked a kick? Yep. Somebody should have kicked me out of the buffet. My whole life has been a buffet. Buffet. Eat everything. See everything. Eat everything. Food, 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 food. So yeah, I would have liked to have been kicked out of the buffet. It would have made my life easier. But I made those choices. I made those choices to eat all the food. I'm making another choice now to get healthy. If I slip up, and I know I will, I'll get back up, because I have to. It's a life change, and I know that. And I would be crazy to think that I wasn't going to go through that crisis that I had at 4 a.m. this morning ever again, because I know I will. I know I will. I just got to learn. I got to have the tools. I got to learn the tools to deal with it. I got to think. It is a thinking process. If you don't go into it prepared, then you won't get any further than your door. Thank you all for your letters and your encouragement, and all the motivational talk really helps me. It gives me something else inside of my head except for me. It really does help. 10 minutes. Got my heart rate coming up. Feels good. Day 4. And I'm doing it. I just wanted to give everybody a big thank you, because without you I wouldn't have made it over that little hump. I have stuck to my calories. I never get over past the third day. And I'm going to stop saying never now. But when I don't get past that third day, it discourages me. I'm on my fourth day, and it feels great. It feels really good. I'm really proud of myself. And that's something I don't say often enough. I am really proud of myself. Here we go. Almost 20 minutes. I got my heart rate up.
My life is breath. My love is pure.
I've gone almost 8K. Did you see my socks? Hot pink. I'm wearing pink for cancer. For the cure of cancer. My dad died of cancer a couple years ago. I love the pink.
You're beautiful, it's true. I saw your face in a crowded place, and I don't know what to do. I saw your face in a crowded place, and I don't know what to do. I'll never be with you.
167 calories burnt so far. Whew.
You're beautiful. You're beautiful. Some more learn some, but I won't pay. So I'll take no more.
Yeah, I'm out of breath. But I'm coming up on it. 26 minutes there. And I've burnt 211 calories so far, which is great. This is hard. And for those who don't know, I have a degenerative disc disease in my back, and umpteen other things wrong with my back. And this is not easy because of the level of pain that I have, but it can be done. So anybody out there sitting on the couch watching me with back problems, physical disabilities, you can do this. It's painful. When you get through it, the benefits that you have are unbelievable. This is our fate. I'm yours. Bending over backwards just to try to see clearer, but my breath fogged up the glass. So I drew in her face and I laughed. I guess what I'll be saying is there ain't no better reason to rid yourself of vanities and just go with the seasons. It's what we aim to do. Our name is our virtue. 12 kilometers I've been. And I'm still going. It's hard, but you can do it. 242 calories burned, and I've just come up on 30 minutes. So today, I'm supposed to do 34 minutes, because this is my fourth day in a row, and I'm getting there. Every day I do one more than the next day. Or the past day, sorry. And it's really hard. But doing a little better than the previous day helps me get through the rest of the day. It was tough. But I powered up and I done it. I made it. got through it. And I've done it today with more power. I've burned more calories on this ride than any of the others because I've been pushing myself. And apparently it worked. I'd like to say it'd be great motivation if some of you could get on a piece of equipment or do just an exercise. Video yourself while you're doing it. And let me know how you're feeling while you're doing it. That would be awesome. I know I'm not the only one out there, but needs the support. So I'd be really grateful. Make me a video. That'd be nice. I'm on 33 minutes. Number 34. Come on, I gotta push it. Come on, legs. I know you got a big journey there. You can do it. Got a big body to carry on those legs and those little feet. But it's going to carry you all the way to thin. Oh my goodness. How amazing would that be? How amazing is that going to be? 34. I did it. I did it. 272 calories. It's a lot more than I've been burning. That's awesome. I'm almost done. Oh, I'm done. Nice. I have a 3-minute cool down now. Just real slow. Real slow. So my legs won't cramp up because they do cramp up and hurt. Getting used to it. I went 14 kilometers. I'm proud of myself. Very proud of myself. Very proud of myself. I'm cooling down now. I did it. I did it. And that's how I roll.